आदित्यस्य नमस्कारं ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयु प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां च जायते। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ उष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मारीचाय नमः। आदित्याय नमः।
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಜಿತೇಂದ್ರ ರಾಯ್ ಸಂಕರ素晴らしいsurya namaskarのいろいろアスナを紹介していただいてありがとうございます。ヨガで皆様おめでとうございます。私はバイシャリトラベルスジャパンの責任者マンモホンシンサニと申します。今年32年を向かって日本でインドの旅行会社をやってて、iTalk も今年は30年を迎えまして、iTalk と一緒にいろんなプロモーションをインドのためにしております。してきました。今日のイベントは、インド政府観光局、インド大使館、ディスカバーインディアクラブの協力で開催することができました。ヨガでは今世界中でヨガを広げてますが、ヨガの歴史を見ますとですね、昔からインドスタンの文明の時からインドでヨガをやってたじゃないかと歴史に書いてあります。20世紀の初めに預言者のビベカナンダ様が、海外に、ウェストの方にヨガを紹介して、それからいろんなヨガの先生がインドのヨガをですね、世界中に広げて、で今はインドのヨガじゃなくて世界のヨガになったんじゃないかと思います。今年でヨガデーになって7年目ですけど、どんどん広げてます。で、これから私も英語で話しますけど、その前に私の後にですね、インド政府観光局の東アジア地区の総局次長であり、ミセズ・パドマニ・ブラマさんから挨拶の言葉を頂戴いたしますので、よろしくお願いします。Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste. I congratulate you on behalf of iTalk to this occasion of Yoga Day. My name is Manmohan Singh Sahni. I'm president of Vaishali Travels Japan, who has completed 32 years, as well as iTalk member and past president. iTalk has also completed 30 years of their opening here. And we, together with iTalk and in India Tourism, have done so many promotions until now. With the support of Indian Embassy, India Tourism, Discover India Club, iTalk was able to do this yoga event. And I'm very happy to announce that we have a great lineup of scholars, researchers, yoga teachers, iTalk. And now I would like to invite Assistant Director, East Asia Region, India Tourism Tokyo, Mrs. Padmani Barama, to give her few words. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Good afternoon, my colleagues from the travel trade. And on the occasion of 7th International Day of Yoga, on this day of 21st June 2021, I congratulate all of you once again for keeping a good health in these bad pandemic days. And I hope all of you are being able to maintain a good mental and physical health, because the pandemic has definitely impacted in everybody's life in a certain way. So I also would like to welcome the new office bearers of iTalk. I am also very much thankful to Mr. Marcus that within a short time he have agreed to organize this event because it was something which was not in my agenda because we have some other office activity going on. But I am really thankful that within such a short notice, Marcus has agreed to do this event. But I just want to say certain facts about yoga. That International Day of Yoga, basically it was proposed by our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in UN, that by it should be recognized by the international society. So he has said, invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition and calls for the harmony between man and nature through this yoga. And that International Day of Yoga should be celebrated on 21st June every day. And this year, United Nations has declared the theme of yoga is Yoga for Well-being, because this is very much relevant at this time of pandemic, because people are still recovering from the coronavirus, and this has not only impacted on physically, but it also has impacted in the mental and psychological and also economic activities of people's life. So through the practice of yoga, through incorporation of yoga in our day-to-day life, we can benefit tremendously. And furthermore, I also would like to say that it is Swami Vivekananda who should be credited for bringing the yoga into the limelight of the international society. It was in the 18th century, I think in the city of Chicago, he presented yoga in the city of Chicago, USA. Estimated 300 million people across the world, they use yoga every day in their life. So it has definitely impacted in people's life in all the way. So I hope that all of you are going to enjoy this session with this, in our next 2 hours of lecture. And I hope all of you have a wonderful session. Thank you very much for being with me for the time being.
Thank you, Padmini ji. Thank you.
First of all, thank you so much, Padmini ji, for giving your precious time today. And you are always kind for us. Every time you help to us at any moment, any situations. Once again, thank you very much for your lovely speech. Actually, I'm very much new in this Zoom meeting and all. This is in my life. I am participating first time, honestly. So I'm a little nervous as well. Anyways, I'm going to start now. Dear ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pankaj Sinha, and I am from Ananya Holdings. I have been in travel trade last 20 years. At present, I am General Secretary of ITOC, Indian Travel Tour Operator Committee. Now, I would like to introduce Mr. Marcus. Mr. Marcus, he is the Managing Director of Asahi Travels, and he is President of Indian Tour Operator Committee. He is more than 40 years in a travel trade. He speaks fluent Japanese and has stopped in India, have EQ. It's a Japanese language, which is level 1. Asahi got tourism award also from then PM late Mr. Bajpayee. He also participated yoga and traveled almost all famous ashram and yoga institute all over India in cross. He also disciple of famous Rakugoka. It is standing comedy. I don't know. Sometimes we watch in YouTube as well. Yes, it's a Tatekawa Danshi, and appear on a stage with him. His stage name is Tatekawa Dandiri, where we can watch sometime and see in YouTube also. Oh, yes, she's a very famous. Sometimes we get a chance to see this. So now I would like to request Mr. Marcus to introduce ITOC and then program of today's. I speak in Japanese. So 皆様、こんにちは。私はパンケスと申します。パンと呼んでくださいませ。レコ会社のアナニアホールディングスとやっています。インドオペレーター委員会ITOCの会長、マーカスとご紹介いたします。マーカスさんは朝日旅行サービスのマネージングダイレクターで40年以上旅行の仕事をやってきました。ヨガをやっていて、インドの中で有名なヨガアスラムにもいたことがあります。マーカスさんに ITOC の説明と本日のプログラムの説明会をお願いいたします。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。
皆さん、こんにちは。Namaste. Happy International Yoga Day. It is 7th anniversary of International Yoga Day. 皆さんどうも、こんにちは。Happy International Yoga Day. おめでとうございます。今回は7名のアニバーサリーです。We are happy to organize this program, Yoga Tourism. It is organized jointly by Indian Tour Operator Committee, ITOC, and India Tourism, and well supported by Embassy of India and Discover India Club. You can see the members of our ITOC in this party. We are 17 members, and they are all very active here in Japan. 私たちは17名こちら旅行会社があります。みんな日本語ペラペラです。と日本には長く滞在しているんですね。ITOC have a very strong team of tour operators from India, and we organize many programs to promote Japan tourists to India. 日本人のお客さんをインドの方にはよく私たちは紹介しています。その中にはいろいろなプログラムをやってきました。which also include yoga experience tours. これは私たちのヨガのツアー、インドでは手配はたくさんしています。We also organized a Japanese speaking guide seminar in India. 日本語のガイドさんたちにもいろいろ私たちは教えています。その他はヨガのはいろいろエクスペリエンスをしています。それからいろいろフェスティバルを日本の中ではインドの紹介のフェスティバルをいろいろ手配しました。We organized many festivals in Japan with the assistance of India Tourism and Air India, in which it was Maharaja Festival, which we organized in 2009, and then Incredible India, and then Indo Festival. We have done many of these festivals. These festivals gives a glimpse of India to the Japanese. So this is, you can see the Maharaja Festival which we organized, and we have a total team of our ITOC members are there. So these are very good programs and are all appreciated by Japanese. 日本の方々はこれをとても気に入りました。とても喜んでおりました。このようなプログラムは私たちは手配してきていますね。今日はこのプログラムを手配しています。皆さんをちょっとミュートにしてますが、今日はいろいろところからみんな参加してますので、私たちのところは今コントロールしているのはニューデリーのアヌジャさんですが、メルボルンからも人たちは参加しています。日本全国からもしています。もうこれの場合は一つ問題は Wi-Fi の問題です。時々これが合わない場合がありますので、邪魔になるかもしれませんけど、どうぞ聞いてみてください。これからプログラムが始まります。Now we are going to start our more yoga programs, and in this, actually, as it is all over many places are involved. There are so many places where we don't have Wi-Fi properly. So please, we are keeping you mute at the moment. Only the speakers and these people will be online and they will be speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker is Tatsumura Sensei from Tokyo. He is from Tatsumura Yoga Gakuin. Tatsumura Sensei, お願いします。どうぞ。
7回目のこのヨガデイ、おめでとうございます。この本当に第1回目の時に当時のインド大使から私ども一番古くからヨガを紹介させていただいているということで、証明をいただいたことを感謝しております。それから2019年の時に今のインド大使の方のおかげで、インド大使館を使って私の師匠、沖正弘、沖ヨガの創始者である沖正弘先生の生誕100周年というのを インド大使館ので、やらせていただきました。大変、感謝しております。ありがとうございました。で、私の方は、何を話そうかということを思ったんですが、マルカスさんの方から南インドの方はどうだと言われたんで、南インドの方は3回ほど行っております。で、南インドの方に最初に行くことになったのが、大陸領域の谷岡さんの紹介だったんですが、そこで初めて、アルナチャーラさんとか、それからカニヤクマリの場所だとか、そういうところ行きました。その辺が日本の方も多分南インドの、ヨガのアシュラムだけしか行かない場合があるんじゃないかと思うんですけれども、そういう一般的な観光の人ももちろん行きますけれども、いろんな意味で学びのある場所っていうかね、そういうことに、行かれたらというふうに思っております。私の方はですね、今最初にね、私はちょっと申し上げたいのは、ヨガというとほとんど今、体を動かすことを含めたものが、主に主体として、広がっているように思うんですけれども、日本にヨガが入ってきたのは、なんと奈良時代ですから、それから奈良平安、それから日本の精神文化の元になったのが、インドの精神文化なんですよね。神聖なるものとかこういうものに対する意識が高まったのは、インドから入ってきた、仏教及びその周辺の、中国経由ではありましたけど、いろんな神様方が入ってこられていたり、それからこの日本に最初の大仏さんというのができたのが、あれボディセンナっていうインドの方が、来られて、そこでいわゆる感情を行っているということですよね。で、私はヨガって言っても、この、明治以来日本で、流行ってきたハタヨガではなくて、この、日本に奈良時代から伝わったヨガを、多く紹介しております。I'm speaking about the yoga, but that's from Nara period, 6th century. Indian philosophy and spiritual mind comes from India. That is become to basement of the Japanese spiritual tradition. That is I think, a very important point, because recently, almost all yoga in Japan too, it comes from start from India, but changing to the America or Europe, and like more exercise style yoga. I think that is not real yoga. I didn't know. I think real yoga is more spiritual things. And we need, if the people who study Japanese yoga in Japan, we need to understand that tradition of Japanese culture's tradition is based on Buddhism and Shintoism. Comes from India. I am sometimes introducing the Japanese, for example, this one. This one is one of the shrine, but this one, the main statue is Sarasvati. 日本で言えば弁財天です。That is comes from India. And another one I will show this. ですね、先に日本のちょっとお見せしようと思ったのがこれです。This one is Tenkawa Shrine. This one is Sarasvati Shrine. And one more. This one, Koya-san. Koya-san is Mantra Yoga Japan. Most famous one. Kukai, Master Kukai shows opened here. And we need to study all these comes from India. So Japanese people, for example, people think Zen is Japanese one, Japanese tradition, but the origin is India, Dhyana, and we use sometimes samadhi, such kind of words, sammai, gurume zammai, or sometimes fishing zammai, tsuri zammai. We call these are almost comes from India. And now I want to talk about South India. This one, many people I don't know, but Ramana Maharishi. This ashram I visited 2 times. At that time, his teaching is real yoga meditation's most important point he shows. And we climbed up the Arunachala mountain too with naked soul hood, because that mountain is people believes that is God. We obeyed according to the this tradition. Small, not so big mountain, but the atmosphere is very holy. I feel that. One more, all people know Gandhi. He is my master's teacher. My master stayed Ganji Ashram, Sewagram Ashram in Warda, 1 month or 2 months. At that time, he influenced us very much. So my teacher's teaching comes from his teaching. This one is placed on the Kanyakumari. This when I visited here, light sun coming from the heaven and from the small hole comes from the inside. On the day of 1948 January 30, that's Ganji's killed day, and some memorial things in this here. This one is Kanyakumari, and the right side is Arabian Sea, and the left side is Indian Sea. So I felt that if we see right side, it's the color is different from the left side. So very interesting place. And sometimes sun rising and sun downing we saw in same place. That is very important place. So if you visited India, this place should go. Vivekananda's luck. Vivekananda is very, very heavy influence to the America and Europe because of his teaching is very, very clear. And that's many people understand his philosophy, and that is from different from the different from the Christianity. So many American people, when that is 1901 or 1900, at that time Vivekananda visited America and gave us so beautiful teaching. This is Arunachala. Under the Arunachala, there is one ashram of Ramana Maharishi. There are so many places people visited, but I think only these few I will introduce. Thank you very much.
ありがとうございました。
はい、ありがとうございました。
As this is the final presentation of this evening, I've been asked to also conclude with the Shanti Mantra. Ayasan, would you mind just translating that as well, please? Just what I said.
Unmute.
では最後に、You said which mantra?
Shanti Mantra.
シャンティマントラを唱えて、クラスを、講座を終わりたいと思います。
Om Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhaveta Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Saurabh-san. And thank you everybody to attend it. And in the last, I would like first Padmini ji to say a few words. Thanks to everybody. Padmini-san, please.
Good afternoon once again, and welcome back to you all. And I'm sure in spite of some technical difficulties, we all had a wonderful session of this afternoon. So first of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Ambassador for his message, for sharing on this Yoga Day. And I also would like to thank Mr. Jitendra Rai ji for demonstrating Surya Namaskar all the way from Varanasi, and opening session by Mr. Sani and Ms. Aya Manave Anandamai from Namah Shivaya International Center of Yoga, Dr. Hansaji Yogendra for sharing her video from Yogendra Yoga Institute, Mumbai. Mr. Osamu Tatsumura from Tatsumura Yoga Institute, Tokyo, and also explaining the link between Japan and India through yoga and different forms of gods and goddesses of India and Japan. And Ms. Junko Tomonaga from Tomonaga Yoga Institute, Tokyo. Professor Ravindra Malik, President, Discover India Club, and Madam Poonam Chand, Additional Director, Uttarakhand Tourism, for your invitation to everybody from Japan to experience yoga in Haridwar, the yoga destination of the country, and also for our video presentation on Uttarakhand Tourism. And Dr. Lakshminarayan Joshi, Founder, Head Department of Yogic Science, Haridwar, Mr. Saurabh Mishra and Ms. Kathy Brown, Alleviate, Melbourne, for the wonderful meditation session of this afternoon. And I would like also thank you to all the ITOC members, Mr. Sani from Vaishali Travels, Mr. Pankaj from Ananya Holdings, Mr. Bhuvan Tiwari from BTC, Mr. Bipin Sharma, SMI, Sumit from TCI, Mr. P.K. Gandhi from Lotus France Travels, Mr. Rakesh Sharma all the way from Rishi Uttarakhand, Sapura Holidays, and last but not least, Mr. Marcus Sa for making all this happen in today's afternoon session. So before we are going, we'll be able to visit India once again and experience all the wonderfuls we have to give you. Thank you once again. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.
Madam, thank you so much. And thank you very much, everyone, for giving your such a lovely time to us. It is a wonderful talking about this yoga on a very special occasion today. We appreciate each and every members for sharing their views and talking about the yogas. We are very much glad to know about the yoga very deeply today. I also would like to thanks to all the Asahi administrative team from all the way India in Noida, Nitin from Melbourne, Gautam from Asahi, Amit, Anu, and their administrative work, then give our team of iTalk. Our iTalk member has excellent job and support all the time, and today also. I also would like to thank Markaji for such a wonderful arranging for this all, and invited to a precious sensei teachers, and we had such a lucky that we got to know about more deeply of yoga. I'd just like to say a few words in Japanese. 皆様、本当に今日深いヨガのついてには説明いただいてありがとうございました。また来年も皆様の、説明会になると思います。以上をもちましてプログラムはもう終了となりますが、また皆様ありがとうございました。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。もうマーカスさんにお願いいたしますので、どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you very much, Pankaj, for your help. And we thanks Padmini ji and all our members, especially Saurabh ji from Melbourne and their team. Ramesh Sharma, who has brought a very good presentation from our Rishikesh, the yoga place. That was very nice. And we know that time is already over. We are very sorry for that, but that we have crossed our line. But it was very nice that everybody was listening and wants to know more about yoga. Today, we will closing now. And if someone wants to say anything at this moment, the program is closed. But if anyone wants to give any comment, we are open for just 10-15 minutes. Please say something. Yes, Malik Sensei, please.
This is a wonderful occasion for us to have this, wonderful presentation and ceremony. They really brought peace to me going through the program. And thank you very much indeed for having me.
Sani sir?
Oh, everything was perfect. Thank you very much. We had a great time. And it was nice to learn so many new things, which we were not known. Thank you all the teachers who have contributed today. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Kathy-san, would you like to say something? Hello, Kathy.
I would just like to say my heart is in India. Over a 7-year period, I went there 9 times. Mm-hmm. And so my heart and soul is in India, and I can't wait for our borders to open up again so I can go back again.
Very soon, I hope.
Very soon.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Ayasan, would you like to say something? Thank you very much for nice interpretation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was so wonderful event, Marcus-san and the team. It was a very nice event on this auspicious day, and sharing the time and space together. Thank you so much.
Listen. Okay. Anyone else?
Thank you, Saurabh sir, and thank you, Marcus sir. It was wonderful presentation, and I wish you everyone happy International Yoga Day.
Thank you very much. Good. Michelle, Anusa, Anujaji, you say something, please. Thank you very much for you.
Thank you, Marcus ji. And this was such a wonderful program. And I am really thankful that I enjoyed a lot and have gained insight on yoga and meditation from this program. And thank you all again. Thank you all.
Thank you. Good.
Yeah, the meditation was very good. Thank you, Marcus ji. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Arigatou.
Thank you, sir.